Surprise, surprise. I won an HD camcorder for $7. I've been trying to bid on these for a long time, trying to get one for around $25, unsuccessfully. But for some reason, I put my $7 bid in on this one, and nobody else bid on it. And I'm thinking, why? What's going on? And I think I might know. It closed, the auction closed during peak football watching time. Maybe that's it. I didn't have a lot of competition. Anyway, I'm very happy. This is a Flip Minnow HD pocket camcorder. $7. They've been discontinued, the Flip camcorders, but I really like them. They're really simple. You don't need a manual. High definition, 720p, I think, or 480, I'm not sure. Good enough for what I do. Oh yeah, they do have a trash button here, and then a play button here, and then 4 arrows, plus, minus, left and right. You know, the plus and the minus is for the volume and the zoom. Left and right is to go through your videos forwards and backwards and play them and see if you want to keep them. The microphone on these is really good, really smooth. Doesn't pick up a lot of background noise. Lots of good reviews on these things. I'm very excited. Driving over to my mom's to eat Sunday dinner. It's always better than anything I can prepare. But first I have to go by the park to see if this homemade iron table is still there. I don't know how it got there, but I left it in the bushes. I should have marked it better. I think it's to the right of this tree. Looks like homeless guys still camping out around here. Here we go. Oh, that's not it. Maybe this is it. I see it. I'm going to surprise my mom with it. She likes that kind of stuff. She'll put ceramic tiles on top and put plants on it. Now it's to get out of here with it. It's not that light. Oh. Einstein over here directing traffic is standing behind the trash pickup truck. Yes, they're finally picking up some of the flood debris. And then he's getting mad at people that don't stop in front of the trash pickup truck. He needs to be out in front of the truck or in the center if there's only one person directing traffic. But you see, I see one guy sitting over here not doing anything, talking on the phone. And I saw him trying to stop traffic from way up there by throwing his hand up and getting mad. Get with it, fella. Get out in front of that trash pickup truck with your stop sign. Don't be waving your arms at me for not seeing you in time. You were behind the truck. Chicken oregano. Coleslaw with raisins. I found a new item by Chicken of the Sea. tilapia, select fillets, marinara sauce, ready to eat. You can put it on spaghetti, but I'll probably put it on ramen. It's a cheap meal. Anytime I can get a cheap meal, I'm all over it. I think I'll like it, because there's not a whole lot that I don't like.